Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone at the bottom. Finally, tap on device name under basic info and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, select OK. And lastly, confirm your choice in the device name pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!